Okay. Okay, eto na. Michael! You are going to put the garter on the right leg of our single lady tonight. Bago mo gawin yun, you need to dance a sexy dance also. Okay? Eto na! DJ! Facebook. I-add pala, i-add. Single ka talaga. Bakit?
Wala.
Okay. Sige, lovely and Rusty, samahan yung ating single lady and single man. Ayan, muli pa palakpakan natin, Michael! Michael! Holding hands. And, ladies and gentlemen, right after this, the same day, edit, kaya wala po muna uuwi. Alright? Eto na. Okay, sa mga nasa labas po, we invite you to please come inside and let us all watch this special gift of Decox 29 events and RDC Photography for our newlyweds. Wala muna uuwi ha. I-announce ko na after this yung 3 remaining digits.